Pasado, I ain't sober. Try to be cool, but I go hard for the culture. Try to be cool, but I go hard for the culture. Yeah.
For this video, I am about to show them my stretches I do every day to get my split, because I need some content. And I'm gonna show y'all how my split looked when I first started doing them, and then how I look now. And I'm gonna show y'all the stretches I do and how many sets I do. And then yeah, that's basically it. Takaya, do you have your splits? Oh, do you? Can we see? Can my vlog see?
I don't have enough room where I'm at.
Oh, it's plenty of room where you are.
No, it's really.
Go in the playroom.
Where is it? Plenty of room.
Go in the playroom.
Now she.
Comment if you think this girl is lying. Comment if you think she lying. Me personally, I think she lying. Anyway, let me get into this video. So I'm gonna show y'all what I do, and all of the stretches that I'm doing I found off of TikTok, and then I have some friends that were teaching me certain stretches and stuff.
And I'm one of them friends, y'all. I taught her them stretches to get the coochie untied.
Ooh.
Oh, sorry.
Okay, so like I said, I got my workouts from TikTok, so I don't really know the names of all of them. But the first one, basically, you hold the back of your leg and you flex your foot as you put your leg towards the air. And then you point your toes down when you put your leg back down. And when I first saw this on TikTok, I didn't really think that it would like have an effect because it didn't look like anything. But I promise, this literally hurts the back of like behind my knee. Like you could literally feel your muscle getting pulled. So this actually helps a lot. I do 10 of them and I do 3 sets. And sometimes I do one leg and I do it for 30 times. But I broke this up and I did 10 on one leg and 10 on the other. And I went back and did the rest. Okay, so next I am doing these, I don't even know what it's called, honestly. The girl in the video did exactly what I'm doing. And this is basically stretching out the back part of your knee again. So I do 10 of these and I think I did 3 reps. If not 3, I did 2. But these do actually really hurt if you're doing it correctly. The goal is to try to bring your feet as close as to the floor as you can. So obviously I got a long way to go, but I feel like these will really help. And I usually hold the last stretch and I rest in between sets. Okay, so this next one is a little bit trickier. It's basically a hamstring hold, but you walk with it. I don't know, that's what the girl said in the video, but that right there was one set that I had did, or one round, I don't know what you want to call it, but I do 10 of these and then I break it up into 2 to 3 sets. The goal is to try to keep your butt in like the air. And I kept failing with that because my butt kept like, it looked like it's touching the ground. But yeah, try to keep your hips as high as possible. And the further you walk down, the more you'll feel like the pull. Okay, now this was super duper hard and I did not know if I was doing it right, but I went back and looked at the video and I am. Basically, you do this and you hold it and you just pull your feet back and forward. But I stopped doing it because I didn't know if it was right or not. The next thing is you pull your leg towards you and you basically turn it the way your leg goes. So that's my right leg, I'm pushing it to the right. The objective is to keep that other leg flat. I don't know, I didn't really know what I was doing, but I ended up getting it like towards the end when I pushed my leg down. So yeah, I did 10 of these and I think I did 2 or 3 sets. I can't remember, but I rested in between each set for a little bit. Okay, and this is the last stretch that I will be showing y'all that I do. This is just common stretches that I like been doing. I do this every time before I dance, or like when I play volleyball I did this. Basically you're trying to push your hips down into the split while keeping your other leg propped up like I'm doing. And I usually just count like to 10 or 15. I hold it, and then next I put my elbows on the ground. I just hit being able to put my elbows on the ground because before I will fall over, or with my right split when I do it, you'll see like that I can't put my elbows down with my right like I can with my left. Then I do this and I hold this one for 10 seconds also. Then I just slide into my split and try to push myself into it, push my hips down. And I've been doing this for like a month now consistently. The other ones I just started doing, but this right here I've been doing for a month and I've already seen so much progress.
Okay guys, that is it for this video. That's all that I do, and I have seen like a lot of progress within like a month already from when I told y'all about me not being able to do it. I don't know if I told y'all that, but a month ago I could not get into my splits like at all, and I started jumping into them, and then I started doing these stretches, and then I'm literally progressing day after day. So I feel like this is the only exercise that's really helpful, because I've been trying to get my splits for a while, but I wasn't really serious about it until like now. So maybe that's why also. But yeah, like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends, and I'll be back with another video.